Let's taking coconut wine in the morning. Its time is 6:30 a.m. in the Philippines. So let's the wine. So what's up? What's up?
Kapuno eh.
So this is a container, and then let's take. See? Let's put it here. Oh, too many. Nananggot ko.
Buwa na.
Ha?
Buwa na.
Hmm.
Okay na kayo.
Oh, kanang astom na. Okay na siya. So, nagtulo pa.
Kaya, gamay na.
Ano. Upag sa kuwan. Put it back. Let's put it back. And then need to cover this one. You know why? It's too many and go inside. And then if the raining, the water is go inside. So that's why I covered with this plastic. So let's cover it. And then let's tie it. Bagyo. So done. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you next time again.